Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Dot & Key Hydro Glow Peel Potion, Hydro Peel Glow Potion and the Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate from Dot & Key, which was sent to me. I'm really thankful for that, and I've been testing this out since almost 2 months now, but I have my final verdict here. So if you want to know, then please continue watching. And a quick disclaimer, please do not take my reviews as the final judgment. Please make your own informed decision by doing your own research. I am not a dermatologist or a professional over here. I'm just sharing my own experiences, my own views and thoughts on these products. With that being said, now let's begin. I have the hyaluronic acid serum and the hydro peel. This is their glow potion. So I'll quickly talk about these. So this is the packaging of the hyaluronic acid. Now it has acai berry, Bulgarian rose extracts, vitamin C, and they say this does not contain any nasty chemicals, and that is how the packaging looks like. So I'm having all of my notes right here about this product. So when I went to the website, I did see all of the products were good except for one, which is methyl isothiazolinol. So it is basically a preservative, but it can cause irritation, and that is that one ingredient I did not like in this hyaluronic acid serum, other than which it is really hydrating on my skin. It is a humectant, and so it does, you know, hold up to 1000 times its own weight to water molecules, definitely. But the fragrance and the preservative is the two downside of the products, is what I would say that I did not enjoy in the product. But other than that, it definitely made my skin very plump. It also adds a nice shine to my face, which I did enjoy. Plus it is very lightweight and definitely does its job, and that it does not have any nasty chemicals. And it also has lipids, vitamin C, it has ceramides and hyaluronic acid, like good ingredients in the formula. And if Dot & Key is watching this, please remove the fragrance and you really have a good product then. Other than that, the product is really good. That the second product, as I said, was their Hydro Peel Glow Potion. So this is basically a chemical peel. So instead of doing physical scrubbing, these would really do the job in a better way, and this actually does. It has 10% AHA and 2% BHA. It has, I think, salicylic acid. Just let me see. So this ingredient, as I see on the website, has aqua, lactic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid. This is again alcohol free, and it does not contain nasty chemicals. That is a good thing. I definitely give that to them. But again, this one does have the same preservative, which was a methyl isothiazolinol, which I'm not a fan of. Plus it does have perfume in this, and basically I'm not a big fan of perfume or fragrance, and especially it was not required in a peel. Like, it is not really required, but other than that, the product is actually good. Like, the ingredients are really good. So if you could please Dot & Key remove the fragrance and perfume and give us the revised formulations, I would love to try that one out. So the way to use this is that just apply little amount of it, avoiding your eye region on your face, and then just let it be there on your skin for 10 minutes, like if you're starting off, or to maximum 15 minutes, and wash it off. It is not a leave on serum, remember that. You have to wash this off, and post this skin peel, do not use any more active ingredients. As I would say, just, you know, drench yourself into hydrating ingredients and moisturizing stuff, that's all, and leave it off for that day. Do not use any active ingredients, because you know, salicylic acid, and it also has glycolic acid. All of these are gonna be removing the outer layers of your skin, so do not do not use more active ingredients. This much is enough. With this overall formula, I would say my skin really felt clean. Like when the outer layer goes off, that baby soft skin was revealed, which I totally loved. It smoothened my skin, and though I have active acne on my face, I could exfoliate my skin, so that was a good thing that these chemical peels do. But only the fragrance was a downside, is what I would say. So yeah, that was my short review on the serum. I will say I like the formula. Just remove the fragrance and that one time preservative, and you have really good products. Dot & Key, just remove that, and I myself would go and purchase the newer formulations. So yeah, quick disclaimer, these are totally my reviews, my opinions from my own experiences. I'm not a chemical formulator or a physician or a dermatologist. Please make your own informed decisions and do not go by just my reviews. Please make your own decisions by doing your own research. And also, a patch test is necessary, come what may, when you're including active ingredients in your skincare. But yeah, that's it. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then hit that like button and do subscribe. I would meet you guys soon in my next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.